Hey guys, welcome back to Pray Shop Cruise. My name is Itiri. I have on my faux diamonds today, so you know we're going to be talking about diamond painting. I just recently, well, at the time of this recording, I don't know when you guys are actually going to see this video, but I did my first Diamond Art Club haul, and I signed up, and I'm getting points, and I'm just like buying way too much on Diamond Art Club right now. Diamond Art Club is truly the top tier place to purchase diamond art painting kits. And of course, everyone in the diamond art world knows this already, but I am a newbie. I'm a beginner diamond painter, so I'm just learning about all the stuff that's already been around, and I'm having a blast. I truly am. So we're going to talk about the chaos that ensued when I opened this diamond painting kit of Angel from the cartoon Lilo and Stitch, or Stitch. I'm not a Stitch fan, but this one was so cute to me. They also have a Stitch keychain version that stays sold out. I'm hoping to one day catch it where I can buy it. It stays sold out on Diamond Art Club, and it's also sold out on other sites where I've seen it on too. So you get one keychain, and they already have it keychained for you. This is my completed project. The glue is still sealing on it, but they already put the keychain on for you, which is of course top tier. Like, I hate when I get these kits and they want you to put the keychain on it yourself. Like, no, put the keychain on for me. So this was already keychained. And then it comes with the superior quality diamonds, the twist and pick applicator, which I ruined completely. And then it comes with a stackable tray. This tray is amazing. This is my favorite tray from any company I've ordered from at this time. And then 15 resealable baggies, which is kind of just like an extra free thing because you don't need that for this particular project. It shows you how to diamond paint, but it didn't tell me how to use the twist and pick applicator. So let's address that first. So first of all, when you get these kits from Diamond Art Club, they're coming with this twist and pick applicator. Okay, and these actually come pre-filled already. You don't have to fill it with wax. And if you twist it just a little bit, you can see that wax coming out there. Okay, I kind of just went in blind and didn't do my research before I started this. And this was my first project where I finally used a multi-applicator. So I was very happy about that. I used it for some of it. It's kind of hard to use a multi-applicator when there's curves. And I'll be putting a clip of me dealing with the chaos of this. um, but it's kind of hard to use a multi-applicator with the curves because you have to constantly, fix the diamonds when you lay them down. But I do like using the multi-applicator now that I've done it for the first time, and for other projects I will be using it more often. So this is the twist and pick. Okay, I had to end up taking this twist and pick out of my other diamond painting kit that I bought, which is a Sparkle Pals Stitch Holiday Cheer Kit, which I'm really excited about. I'm not a Stitch fan, but I do think he's cute. I just don't watch the movies and stuff. I'm not a Disney person. But I do like the Stitch Pal, and I got a few more Stitch Pals that I'll be showing, and I'm planning to put them on my windowsills when I'm done with them. I think these are perfect windowsill things, and just putting them on your desk. If you have to go to an office, putting them on your office. So I actually took this out of this because I ruined this one, and I just wanted to start over. So I didn't realize that this was pre-filled. And furthermore, I didn't even realize that this right here is the barrel. This is the barrel for the wax. I thought the wax like had to somehow go in here and then you twist it out. And then this part, what happens? This part connects here and then goes in here. But did I do that right? I have wax and stuff stuck in here. This pen I just tore this apart. I just pretty much tore this apart. And then on top of that, like the scraper that it comes with, on the other side, I actually accidentally ripped the scraper off of the tool. So this is like unusable now too for this. The other end of it, they give you multiple ends. Where's that other end? Then they give you the multi-placer end. I already have the multi-placer on there. It's chaos. So they give you an end for the multi-placer, but then they also give you this aligner end, and I broke it. So this just was an experiment that failed. In the kit looks like this when you get it. So this is the Stitch Christmas kit, the little Sparkle Pal. And then in here you get the tray, and then the bags, and the other applicator. Not the other applicator, but the like other ends, I think, of the applicator. I don't know where. Did this come with the... so yeah, this is how it looked before I broke it. And it goes into the other end here, and it helps you just align your drills. As you can see, this tray has a slider opening, which I love, and then this piece comes out here to help you pour your drills. Everything is just so elevated with Diamond Art Club, and they definitely got a new customer in me because I love this. I love how all their tools are elevated. Now, I do know that everyone was saying, you know, for these twist and pick tools, it's better to have uh, the metal piece instead of the plastic. That, I mean, I easily broke this plastic, so that goes to show you, um, you know, that the plastic can be easy to break. Looks like we have a card in here for the stitch one. We'll go through that. And so with this keychain with Angel, I completed it. It only took maybe a couple of hours because I took a break from doing both sides. I always get surprised. I always think like, oh, it's only one side, and then it ends up being two sides. But that's okay because this went very, very quick, and I love that it was only like 3 colors. And I focus on diamond art painting with very small projects. So now that I have her done, I'm actually going to link her to this huge keychain that I'm creating of all my diamond art paintings. I love ones that I can put on keychains. We have some of my Dollar Tree ones. We have my turtle. My turtle was also from Diamond Art Club. The jewels are sparkly. And then I have some other keychains that remind you of diamond art, but they're not. Like this one is from Gabe's. It's just like a bead art. And then this avocado, not avocado. Is it avocado? I think it's avocado. It's from Hobby Lobby. But I'm just going to clip Angel to this right now. And she's a part of the crew. So I'm building a huge keychain of sorts, okay? And I'll keep these baggies, and I'm probably just going to get rid of this particular fiasco. I'm going to keep the wax, and of course, keep my tray. I put my extra drills in this Hobby Lobby. I put my extra drills in a variety of cases, but this case from Hobby Lobby is my favorite, and it's not expensive. These cases are sold in so many different stores and on so many different sites, Amazon, I mean, you name it, you can find these kits, but I think Hobby Lobby has the best prices, and it's easily accessible for me to go to my Hobby Lobby. So let me clear some of this, and then we'll look at the stitch kit. So we sort of saw already what was in this, this particular toolkit. It comes with a twist and pick applicator with wax and multi-placers, a wax refill, stackable tray with lid and stopper, and resealable baggies. So I'll just go ahead and take everything out just so you can see it. And I have used this. This is the extra wax that it comes with, and more resealable bags. And then you have your applicator and the sliding tray. I love how big and flat these trays are. So these trays are about to go everywhere with me. And then here are some instructions. Superior quality diamonds. And this is a sparkle pal. So he'll sit on top of this stand that he comes with. These are the drills. I'm not going to unpackage those. But if you haven't seen a sparkle pal before, which I'm new to this, so I have not seen a sparkle pal in person before. He'll sit up like that when he's done. Perfect for a windowsill. These are going to be all over my windowsills everywhere. So this will be another Christmas in July project. And then tips and tricks. Oh, it's a tips and tricks card. Thank you for your purchase. Okay. See, this did not come with my little angel kit that I just did. This would have helped me. Possibly. Remove the cap and twist the tip of that to refill your pinch. Insert the new putty. But they still don't really show you how to properly insert the new putty. But yeah, I showed you where the barrel was. So I was confused. My confusion came with like, where is the barrel to put the wax? But this is really cute how they do this. So I'm glad they have instructions in here. And this is what a sparkle pal looks like. And he just sits up perfectly like that. So I love how petite this is. And like I said, I will probably be doing this for some of my Christmas in July projects. I'm going to show you what else I purchased from Diamond Art Club. So I am a Marvel girl and I love Baby Groot. This is Baby Groot from Marvel. So this is going to be another Sparkle Pal that I cannot wait to complete. Oh, I love this. I love this. Oh my God, I love him. I love me some Baby Groot, y'all. Oh my God. So yes, yes, yes. Little Diamonds by Diamond Art Club. And then y'all, I had to because I had to. I purchased the entire Sesame Street kit of the little diamonds, the Sparkle Pals. So we got Cookie Monster, Big Bird, we got Oscar the Grouch, and of course the star of the show, everyone's favorite Sesame Street character, Argue with Your Mama, Elmo. I don't care how you feel. Elmo is the best character off of Sesame Street, hands down. I don't want to hear no discussions in my comments. I will ignore you. Okay, Elmo is the best. So the whole Sesame Street gang, I think was like $32. And then expect to pay between, like, for smaller kids, just round up to $20 a pop, like for the smaller kids. There's sales and points and discounts and all kinds of things. If you're going to be ordering from Diamond Art Club, make sure you sign up because their point systems and sales and stuff are just, they're amazing. They're top tier. And then the last thing I hauled is the washi tape, the 40 rolls of washi tape, mystery rolls. Now, in diamond painting, washi tape is used to line the outside of your canvas. Like if you're working with the bigger canvases, it's used to create like sort of an outline, I think, to help you stay in the lines. And what do they say? Enhance your diamond painting experience with our premium quality washi tapes. Perfect for sectioning your canvas and protecting edges. These tapes are the ideal masking solution for all your diamond painting needs. It's 40 rolls. Y'all, these tapes are gorgeous. I don't know about sectioning, doing sections because I'm not doing big diamond painting canvases like that. So this is going to be used for crafting. Okay. These are definitely premium washi tapes and they're definitely gorgeous. Everything I'm showing you can be found on Diamond Art Club, the website. Just Google them and enjoy your shopping experience because there is a lot on there to see and learn and buy and do. I love these glitter washi tapes. Man, this is gorgeous. So this concludes the haul for Diamond Art Club. This was like the first pile of things that I purchased. I have more orders on the way already, so you will be seeing more Diamond Art Club from me. I am a beginner diamond painter, as I've said before, and so I focus on smaller kits, and so you will mainly be seeing smaller kits on this channel. And when you see me diamond paint, I will either be painting very small keychains or small stickers. I do a lot of I love going into that kids section for diamond painting and getting the kids kits because they're great for beginners. So anything small, I'm attracted to in the diamond painting world. The big canvases and stuff that I see people do, they just overwhelm me and they stress me out. And the point of this is to help me decompress, not stress me out. So I love the small kits. I love it when it's only 1 to 2 to 3 colors. I can get through it really quickly and just feel accomplished very easily. So let me know if you have these items from Diamond Art Club or if you're planning to get these items. I also would like to say that I love diamond painting kits that can be used. Like this is going to go on my windowsill, and the keychains are going to go, I can put that keychain anywhere, not just on my big keychain pile. So I love diamond painting kits with a purpose and not just being used to like frame or put on a wall. So that's kind of my thing. That's kind of my deal here for the diamond painting world as far as Praise Shop Cruise is concerned. I also like taking this particular craft with me when I travel. I will be taking it on my next beach trip, and the next time I board a cruise ship, it will most likely be a Royal Caribbean cruise. When I board, I will be taking some diamond painting items with me as well, because sometimes I do like to stay in my room, order room service, and just chill out on the ship. So Let me know if you travel with your diamond painting kits or if you're planning to. And if you made it to the end of the video, go ahead and put some cookies for Cookie Monster in the comments. I appreciate your support as always. Thanks for joining me on my diamond painting journey, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.